Hello guys, welcome to another video of Microsoft Azure. In this video, we are going to learn how we can connect this Azure Virtual Machine which I have already created with PuTTY, or how we can do SSH to this Linux Virtual Machine with PuTTY. Okay, for this either you should have the username and password already, or you should have configured the SSH key pair here in the virtual machine, and you should have that private key handy with you. Okay, we'll use PuTTY to connect this virtual machine. We have the public IP address here. We can use this IP to connect with PuTTY. Okay, if you don't have PuTTY installed your machine in your machine, you can just directly go and download the PuTTY from here. This is the PuTTY official website. You can go and click on download PuTTY here. Once this is downloaded, you can go ahead and install it. Once installed, there will be two tools installed with this one. You will have this PuTTY, and if you type PuTTYgen as well, you can see the PuTTYgen as well. Pu This is the PuTTYgen tool. So if you want to generate a key, public private key pair, or if you want to load an existing private key file, and or if you have .pem file, private key file, and you want to generate that file to ppk, then you can just click on load and select your pem file here, and like again you can save your private key which is .ppk file here directly from here. Okay, and if you generate a new public private key pair, just click on generate and you should be able to generate the key. Okay, let me open the PuTTY again. So this is the UI of PuTTY. Here in the place of host name, you will have to type the public IP address. I'll type the public IP address here. The port should be 22 because we are doing SSH, and SSH port is always 22. Connection type is SSH. If you want to save this session, you can just directly save the session with some name, so that you don't need to enter all these details every time. Okay, if you are logging with just username and password, you don't need to provide anything. You can just directly click on open and it will connect you to this virtual machine. After that, you will have to provide your username and password. Okay, but if you are trying to log in this virtual machine with SSH key, then you will have to do one additional setting, that is inside connections, expand SSH, expand this auth. Here in credentials, you can see there is an option to select this public key authentication and private key file for authentication. So here we can select our ppk file or private key file. Okay, click on browse, and here is my ppk file. If you don't have this ppk file, then you need to generate one, or if you have created a virtual machine directly from Azure, so you should have the .pem file, and you can go and convert that pem file to ppk in PuTTYgen. Okay, here is my ppk file. I will select it. We will click on open. If you want to do some minor settings, like if you want to increase your fonts, connection time, then you can always set it from here. Like if you want to change the terminal features and all the settings, you have the details here, but you can save these things are not mandatory. The mandatory things which are there, I have already showed you. I will save this session so that I don't have to log into enter these details every time when I try to log into this virtual machine. Okay, now I'll click on open. I have provided the key here, private key here in credentials, and I will click on open. Once you click on open, it will ask you the username. So I will provide my username here. My username is Azure user, and see this has logged into the Linux virtual machine. You don't need to provide the password because you have already selected the private key. So it is logging with this Azure user and your private key. You can see the message here, authenticating with public key, imported open SSH key. This key we already have placed while creating the virtual machine. So if you see here, go to reset password and you'll see the username here. This is the username generate Azure user, and I have public key already installed inside this virtual machine. Okay, now you can go there and run any commands. See, I have 0 files. So any commands you can write like this. See, I have now connected to this virtual machine. If you want to log out, just click on exit. Okay, so like this we can connect to the virtual machines with PuTTY. Okay, so in this video we have covered how we can log in the virtual machines with PuTTY and how we can connect with Azure, the password as well as the public key and private key. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, then please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks.